Alright, now that we have the NI tools installed, we can go ahead and get the editor set up so you can actually program. You're going to want to go look for that WPILIB.screenstepslive.com again. Hit in 2019 FRC control system. Okay, then getting started again. And this time we're going to scroll down a little bit further. We just did this section. Now we're going to go to the development tools. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click Windows. Now we just want to click on this link from GitHub. Scroll down until you see whichever operating system you're using. So Mac is here, Linux, Windows 32, and Windows 64. We're on a 64-bit machine, so we're going to open that up. Going to save it. It's a big file, so that's going to take a while.
Dude.
You want some? They're not good. Why you
They look old.
The-
This is a gigabyte download, I'll have you know. Like, in total, we're gonna have like 2 gigs just for the installs.
Fortnite's more worth it.
Yeah, dude. That's like 50,000 gigs.
This
Dude,
was
freaking
recorded.
GTA is like 100, yeah.
What?
GTA is huge.
I'm gonna download that on my phone. You know why?
'Cause you hate yourself?
That's why the Note 9 has a terabyte of storage.
Does it actually?
Yeah, with the expandable storage. It's 512.
With an SD card, yeah.
Yeah, 512 and
I
then
can see
512
that,
for
yeah.
SD. It's ridiculous.
But SD cards gotta be expensive. It's probably a couple hundred.
I mean, it's
Alright,
worth
maybe
it.
800.
It's worth it for GTA.
Nah. You can't run it on.
I mean, with 512, you can download it anyway.
But why would you?
Connect a mouse to your phone and then play.
Oh, yeah. Because, you know, there's USB port, you know.
Yeah, there is. USB-C.
I'd love to see you try. I wonder if that'd work on Android. You could just plug in a mouse to the bottom.
No, and there's no way you could run GTA on Android. There's
Yeah,
no
no.
way.
Alright, now that it's done, we're gonna hit the open button. Actually, well, we're probably gonna hit the... Damn it, okay. We're gonna restart that, we're gonna cut this from the video, okay. Alright, so now that we're done, we're gonna hit the open folder button. Okay, then we're gonna do the same... Oh. We're gonna extract it, extract all. Hit the like button on there. Wait for that to extract. Yeah, so that means it's the compressed version. 1.1 gigabytes is compressed.
That's ridiculous.
Alright, almost done. And there we go.
The zip file was 1.1
Okay.
gigabytes.
Then we're going to run this installer.
It's the second zip file. The first one was 785 bytes.
How many zip files are there?
Okay. Then on Windows, you're going to have to hit the more info, run anyway. Okay. Then we're going to get this window. We are going to install for all users. Yes on that. Okay. We're gonna hit download. That's gonna download the VS Code editor that they already have set up with all the extensions that you need and all the configuration already done. Just wait for that to download. Okay. Make sure all these are checked. And then hit execute install. This is another long waiting section, so we will jump to when it's over.
You want to actually program?
Yes, this game. I just wanted to image the robot.
Dude, if you tell me what to do, I can just do it. You can actually do crap.
I want to do it though.
Do it. Or I can program.
Yeah, I guess you could.
Yeah, we just gotta finish this. Like, this has gotta take 2 minutes.
It's taken hours.
It's
so
taken.
far.
Yeah, it's taken forever. Why the hell? We only recorded 15 minutes. What
That's
did
a
we
pretty
spend?
long time.
That's not that
We
long.
should.
That's-
We should confuse all of them and be like, hey, have you guys eaten dinner yet? And you guys are gonna be like, yeah, it's 4:48. That's what the computer does.
Why does it say?
All right, download is, or the install is finishing,
Like what complete? Oh, it's Windows.
or not. I guess not. Guess we're gonna get a second bar. Okay.
Oh, you moved out here.
What do you want?
What is that?
Peas.
What do you think?
It's weed, dude.
You can I take a hit? Can I
Yeah,
have
go
one?
ahead. Try and shove one up your nose. I'd like to see it.
Yeah. It's like it actually goes off. Yeah, we'll record the sound effects too. It's like
We'll put it in the bloopers. Definitely go in
you
the
wouldn't want to
bloopers.
do that like again.
What is that beeping? Okay, installing extensions. Oh boy. I like.
Yeah, you can get OS's apparently. You can just literally just download that onto a hard drive. Like I didn't know that.
Well, technically, you put it on a USB drive, and then you put that USB drive in, and you boot from the USB drive, and then use that to install it.
Oh, okay,
That's
that
so
makes
much.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can't just download it. But, like how you access a hard drive? Like that's what I was wondering.
Yeah.
Can you access that through like an internal command or something?
What do you mean? You access the hard drive all the time. It's called the file system.
Yeah, but like without the OS,
Yeah. Then.
when you're trying to
Not
install
really
a new
sure
one-
what you're talking about.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway. All right. The install is done. Tells you there's going to be a desktop icon for VS Code now, so we'll just hit OK on that, and we'll go to the desktop, and you can see VS Code. You can see the shuffleboard and the smart dashboard. So we're going to open up VS Code and just make sure it worked.
We'll be back in a.
Okay, it's going to pop up this. You don't have to worry about that. Just minimize it again, and it is all set up. Now you're good to go ahead and start programming, and when you're ready to launch and deploy to the robot, you just hit F5 or Shift F5 for debug. Alright, hope this was helpful, and enjoy. Keep programming.